want to introduce my wife, Suzanne Silver. And I want you to hear Suzanne's story because Suzanne had struggled with depression for about 30 years. And she was on anti-anxiety medicines, and she really wasn't feeling well until I started working with her with this pioneering technique called ERT, Emotion Replacement Therapy. So Suzanne, could you tell everybody your story, please?
Sure, Tom, thank you. I actually began suffering from extreme depression at the point in time that I turned 13. And it became tremendous and incapacitating throughout my teenage years into my young adult years. It wasn't until I turned 26 that I finally found a doctor that was willing to put me on antidepressants. Up until then, there weren't even such developments in that arena. But at that point in time, someone finally put me on antidepressants. That worked right away. Well, you know, as antidepressants do. That worked in about 30 days or whatever is the norm. And for the next 20-some years, I was on antidepressants. Depression causes us to accept life where it's at and not even have any clue how to get out of it. And just say, it's the way it's gonna be. But that's not natural. It's not natural for us to feel that way. It's natural to have a will to live. It's natural to be excited about life. It's natural to want to have accomplishments and move on and have great things. And that's what this therapy can do. ERT works.
Suzanne has been off of anti-anxiety medicine for almost a year and a half now. And Suzanne could testify that her quality of life is tremendous. It is unbelievable. It is fantastic. It is real. But Suzanne now also knows how to operate her mind correctly. And you know, sometimes we get so used to negative thoughts and negative habits and negative emotions and accepting these negative mind chemicals that our mind and the neurochemical releases from the brain become off balance. They become incorrect. So through ERT and the processes you're going to learn, you're going to be able to help your clients correct their mind chemicals and integrate their minds correctly to work together consciously as well as in that subconscious biocomputer. So you're not just learning hypnotherapy, but you're also going to learn EEG, electroencephalograph brainwave frequency monitoring, which is a wonderful scientific diagnostic tool to use in your ERT, emotion replacement therapy practice, and even in your neurological scientific hypnotherapy practice. So I'm real excited about going to Rome, Italy. The dates of the training course are October 7th through the 9th. 3 days of hands-on techniques, methods that work. They're scientifically proven. I've been a scientific therapist for over 27 years. I have created methods and techniques that have been proven successful. Suzanne has seen the results. She knows how powerful it was. Even before we started the work with her to remove extreme or clinical depression, she was skeptical, but the results speak for themselves, don't they,
That's
Suzanne?
right. Absolutely, absolutely.
Her quality of life is fantastic. So you can go to the website. You can also go to my website, tomsilver.com, and look at the information on the training course and my background as a scientific hypnotherapist for over 26 years. I have a gold plate of honor from the Taiwan Department of Defense for my work in the new technological scientific applications of ERT, emotion replacement therapy, and neurological scientific hypnotism. So I urge every person, every practitioner, every healing arts therapist to attend this wonderful training course so you can learn techniques that I have developed with my 26 to 27 years of life experience that I'm going to present to you. I'm going to teach you. I'm going to actually have hands-on training in every one of these methods, and you'll also be certified from my institute, the United States Board of Clinical Hypnosis and the Hypnosis Foundation. If you're a psychotherapist, if you're a psychologist or a psychiatrist, if you're a hypnotherapist or any other type of healing therapy practitioner, I invite you to my 3 days of hands-on training, October 7th through the 9th in Rome, Italy. And you'll be learning the most advanced scientific neurological techniques of hypnotherapy, of ERT, emotion replacement therapy, and EEG, brainwave frequency monitoring, which is a wonderful diagnostic tool to use in every hypnotherapy practice. I'm Tom Silver, scientific neurological hypnotherapist and founder of ERT, Emotion Replacement Therapy, and I'll see you at the training course in Rome, Italy, October 7th through the 9th. Thank you.